This week's 4-minute meditation moment brings with it the month of September, a fresh new month full of possibilities as the days get cooler and the nights get longer. A quick reminder to subscribe to get this meditation every Monday morning. And in the meantime, let's go ahead and take a deep breath as we begin. As you inhale, bring all your desires in with that breath, everything that you wish for in this moment. And as you let it out, let it flow. Let it flow around you with gratitude and grace and all the good things that it can bring you. As we look around us, there is still many signs of summer. As the birds are still with us, and as you see this hummingbird just finding the nectar that it's looking for. Perhaps that's what we want to think about in our mind's eye right now, is the nectar that we're looking for in the month ahead. Slow goes the pace. As we start to also think about picking up the pace, perhaps summer has been long and luxurious, and maybe, hopefully, finding you in your garden or somewhere out in nature, enjoying all the bounties of this earth. Taking another deep breath. Just think of the memories of this summer gone by and what it gave you in your life. Who you spent time with. Who spent time with you. Where did you go? Who did you see? What did you see? And just let it fill your heart and yourself with gratitude and happiness for what you have all around you, that you can take into this beautiful fall season ahead. Because one thing's for sure, when we rest and take a moment to really reflect every single day on what it is we want in our life, so much more can come our way. And even as this little hummingbird rests on the sunflower branch, it too needs to take a moment before it takes off again to find what it's looking for. What are you looking for? What will fill your heart and your soul as you move towards the fall and all that it will bring towards you? Peace of mind perhaps is at the top of the want list. What else will be in your goals and your plans for the month ahead? I wish you that peace that will come your way as you find new ways to play and to be during the season ahead. Thank you so much for joining me today for this moment. And remember, it's here every Monday morning to help you remember to take those deep breaths, to be calm. Simply subscribe, leave a comment how they make you feel. Take good care. Let's grow.